Hi everyone. Every year, millions of workers send billions of dollars across borders to support their families. But this financial lifeline is broken. We are solving the global remittance tax, a hidden 6% fee that drains billions of dollars from the world. Our solution is a compliant Web3 powered recognized network that combines low cost, near instant cross border transfers with a built in KYC, AML, and GDPR aligned privacy. So workers can send money fast, cheap, and legally. By replacing slow, expensive bank rails with a private blockchain that protects sensitive data, we turn remittances from a penalty into a transparent, efficient lifeline for millions of families worldwide. Polka Pay dashboard. We first connect our wallet to the dashboard. Then we will click on this user dashboard button, and here you can see the basic overview of the user dashboard. First of all, we will apply for the KYC so that we can enable multiple features. Okay, so here you can see there are fields that we are required for applying the KYC. So we'll fill in these particular details, and from here we can select the ID type. We will go with PAN card here. We will write the PAN card number. Here we have divided this into the tiers. So like the first tier is the basic tier, then second one is the standard tier, third one is the premium, and fourth one is the enterprise tier. So the differentiating factor between these tiers is the daily limit that we have. So we will go with the basic tier as of now. And for the identity purposes, we will upload the identity document here, and we will upload this to IPFS now. Okay, so once this is uploaded to IPFS, we can submit this to blockchain. So we'll click on this button and submit this to blockchain. So here we will click on the confirm button. And okay, so as you can see, our KYC verification status is approved. So yeah, let's go to the admin dashboard and see how admin dashboard looks like. So the admin dashboard right now. Right now we are inside this overview tab where you can see the overview of the basic dashboard, like the contract balance, pending KYC, system status, and all those sort of things. And then we have this KYC management tab where you can see the pending request, total KYC users, and we right now, as you can see, we have three KYC users. And here you can see the current tier limits. We have set the tier limit that we have set for the particular tier. Then we have this user management section. So here we have all the users that whose KYC has been verified. So we can change the tier of a particular user as well by clicking on this change tier button, and we can select any tier. Like let's select the tier 2 for this user and update the tier. Okay, so we can click on confirm, and then the tier of the user will be updated. Okay, so as you can see, the tier has been changed to tier 2, and then go to then we have this transactions tab. So here all the transaction has been done through this platform will be shown over here. And after that, we also have this stablecoin section where admins can add any ERC20 stablecoin contract. Like we can paste the any like this address, any address here. Okay, so admin can paste any token contract address over here. So as you can see, I'm pasting here contract address, and we can select any token symbol, and we can click on that. We can click on this add stablecoin button, and then this particular stablecoin will be added. Right? So click on this add stablecoin. Then we have the system settings. On system settings, we have this basic configuration section where we can change the basic tier limits of the particular tier that we have set right now. Let's change the tier limit of this tier to 3200 and update this tier limit. Okay, so let's click on confirm. Okay, so now the tier limits has been updated. And so right now on the right side, we have this fund section where this balance is the locked value on the contract. And other than that, we have these fees which a particular admin can withdraw. Like if you click on this withdraw button, we can withdraw this particular fees into our wallet. Okay, so by clicking on confirm, we will basically withdraw this into our wallet. Okay, other than that, we have the emergency sections for example, like in case of maintenance or all sort of things. If we want to pause our platform, so we can click on this emergency pause and type in emergency here to confirm and pause our platform for maintenance work. Let's go through this user dashboard again. As you can see right now, I'm in this overview tab, and as you can see in this section, there's a basic overview of like your last 24-hour activity snapshot and available balance, daily limit, and today's usage, all those sort of things. And you can see that here we have this KYC status approved, and here we have this daily limit breakdown, and we can send money claim for the transactions. Let's go to this transfer tab. Here you can see we can basically send money to any recipient address. Okay, and in the claims tab, we can claim the money, and in the send stablecoin, we can send a stablecoin that we have created, that admin has created for our particular platform. And similarly for the claim stablecoin part, here we can claim a stablecoin that someone else has sent to our wallet. Okay, so talking about the KYC section, this section we used earlier for the verification purposes. And talking about the transactions part, here you can see our transactions. Right now, there's nothing here. Talking about the profile tab, so here you can see our wallet address, see account security status, white listed status, and all sort of things are kind of basic things, right? Here you can see in the admin dashboard, we had updated our daily limit of this tier 2 to 2200, so it is visible over there here as well. So if we try to do some transfer of this right to this recipient address from cash to this recipient address, suppose. Okay, so this will show you the transaction breakdown, like how much your transaction fee will be deducted from our amount. So we can click on this send money button, and the data will appear. We can use. We can see basic stuff like whom we are paying, you pay, and all those sort of things. And we can click on send transactions. So yeah, there's some issue in the on chain, like text wallet, right? So Let's close this. So yeah, this was all about Polka Pay. So now let's talk about why we choose Polkadot, right? So we didn't pick a chain. We choose Polkadot for its shared security, inheriting the massive economic protection of the relay chain with XCM, cross consensus messaging. Polka Pay is designed to be interoperable across any parachain, allowing us to eventually handle assets from Asset Hub, Astar, or Moonbeam with near zero latency and fees. Polka Pay isn't just an app, it's the compliance layer at the Polkadot financial ecosystem. We are turning magic internet money into a legally compliant, high speed, low cost financial lifeline of the global population. Thank you for your time. Let's build the future of remittances together.